friends know. In the bill, hit I move like a dime. Fettuccine and Vincenzo's. Me and my amigos got that free smoke on the West Coast. Yeah, I'm talking about pre-rolls. Dark hair bitch, she look like she go. She do. Hometown hero, feeling myself, can't murder my ego. She heard of my deep throat. She said, babe, does it hurt when I do what? It does. Certified freak, hang around dust, and she learning my lingo. Back then, wasn't worried about me though. In the gym, trying to work on my free throw. Damn. Spending money at the club like Sam's. Yes, ma'am. She a little freak on cam. She don't put this on the ground. Little boys trying to diss on the ground. Hey, I can't switch on the fam. It's hot, hit the switch on the fan. This where my head is. I feel resentment from every direction. Even some homies be wearing expressions. I be discouraged from sharing my blessings. We used to share a connection. Now it just feels like it's wearing and stretching. I'm getting real sick of taking advice from people that never could stare at reflections. Somewhere in there is a lesson. Y'all ain't involved and it's very depressing. I'm at the club with the basketball team. Me and the Cardinals are sharing the section. Gotta cherish the present. I'm drinking water and I'm wearing protection. Got a career and I'm very invested. Some people call it a scary obsession. I like the constant passion. I can be sitting relaxing. PG, we getting some traction. I'm at the venue, it's packed in. I'm digging her accent. I got a baby Simon belt on me and she tryna get it unfastened. That's my type of distraction. That's my type of she Latin. Got my own flow and I'm about to get a patent. Brand new sheets for the bed they satin. Y'all wasn't tuned in back then. My swag they keep checking. I ain't doing no verse, quit asking. What's poppin'? Brand new whip, just hopped in. I got options. I can pass that like Stockton. Just joshing. I'm spending this holiday locked in. My body got rid of them toxins. Sports in the top 10.
Star 102.1, it's an nearly impossible question of the day. Really simple. I ask the question, the first correct answer wins. 19% of men check this on a daily basis. What do you think it is? Sports scores? Not sports scores. What do you think it is?
Is it their weight?
Not their weight. What's the answer?
Their hair.
Close enough, their hairline. Congratulations.
Oh my goodness!
What's your name?
Michaela.
All right, Michaela, where are you from?
Knoxville.
All right, for getting that right, I'm going to hook you up with 2 entrees from Tandoor Indian Kitchen.
Okay.
Do not know who I am, but still know that I'm good and there's nothing wrong with me. To be drunk and in love in New York City. Midnight into morning coffee. Burning through the hours talking. Damn. I like me better when I'm with you. I like me better when I'm with you. I knew from the first time. I stay for a long time, 'cause I like me better when I like me better when I'm with you. I don't know what it is, but I got that feeling. Waking up in this bed next to you, swear the room, yeah, got no ceiling. To be late with the day, go so by. I get to I might have to tell you something. I like me better when I'm with you. I like me better when I'm with you. I knew from the first time. I stayed for a long time, 'cause I like me better when I like me better when I'm with you. Stay a while, stay with me. Stay a while, stay. Stay a while, stay a while, stay with me. Stay here with me. I like me better when I'm with you. I like me better when I'm with you. I knew from the first time. I stayed for be better when I'm with you.
Let's go. Now trending on Star 102.1.
Hey, it's Dua Lipa.
What it do is the baby. Levitating.
If you wanna run away with me, I know a galaxy and I can take you for a ride. I had a premonition that we fell into and with the music don't stop for life. Glitter in the sky, glitter in my eyes, shining just the way I like. If you're feeling like you need a little bit of company, you met me at the perfect time. You want me, I want you, baby. My sugar boo, I'm levitating. The Milky Way, we're renegading. Yeah, 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 yeah. I got you. Moonlight, you're my starlight. I need you all night. Come on, dance with me. I'm levitating. You, moonlight, you're my starlight. I need you all night. Come on, dance with me. I'm levitating.
I'm one of the greatest, ain't no debating on it. I'm still levitated, I'm heavily medicated. Ironic, I gave him love and they end up hating on me. She told me she loved me and she been waiting. Been fighting hard for your love and I'm running thin on my patience. Need someone to hug, even took it back to the basics. You see what you got me out here doing? Might have threw me off, but can't nobody stop the movement. Let's go. Left foot, right foot, levitating. Pop stars, Dua Lipa with the baby. I had to lace my shoes for all the blessings I was chasing. If I ever slip, I fall into a better situation. So catch up, go put some cheese on it, get out and get your bread up. They always leave when you fall, but you run together. Weight of the world on my shoulders, I kept my head up. Now baby, stand up, cause girl, you.
You want me, I want you, baby. My sugar boo, I'm levitating. The Milky Way, we're renegading. Yeah, 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 yeah. I got you. Moonlight, you're my starlight. I need you all night. Come on, dance with me. I'm levitating. You, moonlight, you're my starlight. I need you all night. Come on, dance with me. Fly away with me tonight. You can fly away with me tonight. Baby, let me take you for a ride. Yeah, 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 yeah. Fly away with me tonight. You can fly away with me tonight. Baby, let me take you for a ride. Yeah, 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 yeah. It's like a rocket with your blast off, and I'm feeling so electric on top. You want me, I want you, baby. My sugar boo, I'm levitating. The Milky Way, we're renegading. I got you, moonlight, you're my starlight. I need you all night. Come on, dance with me. I'm levitating. You can fly away with me tonight. You can fly away with me tonight. Baby, let me take you for a ride. Yeah, 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 yeah. I'm levitating. You can fly away with me tonight. You can fly away with me tonight. Baby, let me take you for a ride. Yeah, 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 yeah. I got you. Moonlight, you're my starlight. I need you all night. Come on, dance with me. I'm levitating.
Star 102.1, new Dua Lipa into Baby with Levitating. I'm not sure if you heard, but Dua Lipa is doing a virtual concert, and we're giving away free tickets to that concert. The way that you can get qualified to win is just by downloading the Star 102.1 app for free. You can get it on the Google Play Store. You can also, of course, get it at the Apple Store. And you can listen to Star 102.1 wherever you go. And as a bonus, when you open up the app for the first time, you could register to win those tickets. More at star1021fm.com.
Hey folks, Lance Cunningham. I'm excited about sponsoring this Sunday's Countdown, and don't forget my personal guarantee. On any new Ford, car, truck, van, SUV, $1,000. I'll beat any other dealer's best deal by $1,000, and that's also on pre-owned vehicles. Check us out, lcford.com. With over 200 new Fords on the ground, and we always stock over 100 pre-owned vehicles. With my personal guarantee, over 30 years in business, why buy from anyone else?
Hidden phone trade-ins, hidden plan requirements, hidden catches. You won't find any of those at US Cellular because we do things differently. That means you can get the Samsung